Okay boys, now we are working on question number 14. Question number 14 says that in the figure ABCDE is a part of an n-sided regular polygon. The ratio of an interior angle to an exterior angle of this polygon is 5:1. That means the first thing they're talking about is n-sided regular polygon. That means number of sides of this polygons are unknown, and they are saying that let's suppose how many sides there are. They are named as n, which you don't know the value of, and the interior and exterior angle have the ratio of 5:1. That every angle has interior and an exterior angle. So the difference or the ratio between both of these interior and exterior angle is 5:1. Like whatever the exterior angle is, interior angle is 5 times more than that. Then it is saying find the value of n, angle ACD and angle ADE. That means in part 2 they are talking about angle C, and part 3 they are talking about angle D that we need to find out. So let's move on to the solution. Now I have redrawn the diagram over here, as the first thing that we need to do is to find out the value of n. But it is not like there is no such formula that through which we can find out the value of n without knowing the interior or the exterior angle. So before finding the value of n, we need to work on the angles in order to find out the value of n. So now, since the ratio is 1:5 between interior and the exterior angles, so that means if we take angle B, this is angle B only, and if we extend it further and we show its exterior angle, so if we show the exterior angle, the interior angle is this part and the exterior angle is this part. So since the ratio is 1:5, that means exterior angle is 1x and the interior is 5x, because the ratio is 1:5. By this we conclude that since this whole part is divided into ratio 1:5x, and as we know, like generically this part is a straight line, and all angles in a straight line equals 180. So with that reference, x plus 5x equals 180. Now 6x equals to 180 because x plus 5 is 6. We need to find out the value of x. 6 goes over there, gets divided, we get 30. Now this 30 is the value of this x which is used over here. So since the exterior angle is x only, so x equals to 30, and interior angle is 5x, so x multiplied by 5, you will get the value of the interior angle, which is 150. So that means this part is equals to 150 and this part equals 30. Now since we have sought out the value of the interior angle, which is 150, we are using the formula of each interior angle, size of each interior angle, to find out the number of sides, because we have known the value of the interior angle, each interior angle, because since this is a regular polygon, whatever the size will be of this interior angle will be the size of every interior angle. So we are using the formula of size of each interior angle, which is n minus 2 into 180 upon n equals 150, the value which we just sorted out here. 5 multiplied by 30. So n minus 2 into 180, 180 into n is 180, 180 into 2 is 360 equals 150, and n comes over here, 150n, and 360 goes over there. You do the subtraction and division, you get 12. That means the number of sides in this polygon are 12 sides. Now the second part we are moving on to, it says that you have to find out the value of ACD. That means ACD, this part we need to find out ACD, this triangle they're talking about. So we need to find out this angle. So for that I have redrawn this diagram just to give a zoom image, a little more magnified image. As we know that this interior angle is 150 and this part is 30, which is the exterior angle of part B. I am discussing part B only over here, and I'm assuming these two sides to be equals to m. I gave them the side m from my side. I can give them any name, so I choose to give them m as the unknown angles. So now I'm finding out the value. Since the exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles, so this exterior angle equals to the sum of these two interior opposite angles. And since this triangle is an isosceles triangle, that means the value of m, these two will be the same. So since this is an isosceles triangle, exterior angle equals to the sum of interior opposite angles, and triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So since this is an isosceles triangle, so m plus m, sum of interior angle, equals to exterior angle. M plus m equals to sum of exterior opposite angle. So this exterior angle is equals to the sum of these two interior opposite angles. So 30 equals to m plus m. Then 30 equals to m plus m is 2m. You do the division and then you get 15. That means this part equals, this angle equals to 15. But since we wanted to sort out the value of ACD, that means this part, and we know that this whole thing, equals to 150 because this is the interior angle of C. If we subtract this 15 part from this C, this whole is 150, and if we subtract this 15 out of it, we will get the exact value of ACD. ACD, this part. 150 minus 15 is 135. So we got the value of C, ACD. Now part 3, which is ADE. ADE is your homework, and you need to send me this. Okay, in fact, this is your classwork. You need to do this work in the class, and you need to give me the solutions, send me the solutions on WhatsApp privately so that I can see your solutions individually. Thank you.